In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Notion. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by pop-ups or missed an important alert, fine-tuning these settings will help you get only what matters. First, head to notion.com in your browser. If you already have the desktop app, that works too, but the process is the same. On the homepage, click Login or Launch Notion, depending on what you see. Log in with your usual account so you land in your workspace. Once you're inside Notion, look at the left-hand panel, scroll to the bottom of that sidebar and click Settings. This opens a settings window where you can control your personal preferences. In that window, find and click the notifications section. This is where all your alert options live. Here, you can enable or disable notifications to match your workflow. You'll typically see options for different types of alerts like mentions, comments, page activity, and sometimes email or mobile push. Take a moment to read the description under each setting so you understand exactly what it controls. This quick step helps you avoid turning off something you actually rely on, like being notified when someone mentions you or assigns you a task. To make a change, click the toggle next to the option. If the toggle is white, it's disabled. If the toggle is blue, it's enabled. You can switch these on or off at any time. The changes are applied immediately, so there's no save button to press. As soon as you flip a switch, that preference takes effect across your devices for this account and workspace. A few tips as you adjust things. If you're getting too many alerts, try turning off broad activity updates while keeping mentions on so you're still notified when someone needs your attention. If you're missing updates, enable the key options you rely on most, like comments on pages you own or assigned tasks. You can always revisit this panel later to fine-tune as your projects evolve. When you're done, simply close the settings window and continue working. Your choices will stick, and you should notice a cleaner, more focused notification experience right away. That's all you need to manage notifications in Notion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, clear tutorials to help you stay organized and productive.